Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with the before and after tune-up report for Michael in Tennessee on this President Richard. Michael, this is your radio, just pulled it out of the box. Nice big heat sink on the back of these. They're really clean on the Spectrum scope. They just need a little help for us AMers. RF power all the way down, 25 watt slug. You see around 2 watts or so. Here's forward swing, average power. Hello. Swings forward about 1/4 of a watt. 50 watt slug and PEP. Hello. 1 2 1 2. Hello. So we only get about 20 watts peak. Now turn RF power all the way up. Dead key about 10. Hello. Swings forward to 11. 50 watt slug. Hello. 1 2 1 2 1 2. It'll talk around 50 right there. But we're going to get the thing set up a little bit better where it will have some good forward swing from a lower carrier for you. In your note it said to please remove the let me quote you here, please remove limiter. I won't remove the limiter. There'll be no need for that. Once I get done, you'll see everything will be good to go, man, and your limiter intact. And we'll be back in just a little bit. And we're back. Modern technology made it seem like a millisecond. Several hours later, here we are. We went ahead and wired your static mic for you. But I will say, with the modifications that's been done, this President mic is very suitable for what you're doing. Got some incredible audio, as well as the Superstar mics. Okay. Let's start with RF power all the way down. You said you were going to run an amplifier. You want it down to 1 watt. There's your 1 watt. 50 watt slug. I'm going to show you your peak swing from 1 watt. And you've seen it before. It was struggling to do much of anything, and now it's putting the 50 watt slug right over in the corner. So we're doing about 55-60 watts. I'm going to take and roll the RF power all the way up. Lays a 5 watt slug over in the corner. Let me put this on average. It's about 8 watts all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello. About 24 bird average. And of course on peak. Hello, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Still puts the 50 watt slug over in the corner. Let's take it down here. Channel 20. And I'll turn on my monitor radio. Might get a little feedback. 1 2 1 2. Let me roll that mic gain down some. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Check 1 2 3 4 5. All right, and there we go, Michael. It's all ready to go for you. Your President Richard truckerized from truckscbsales.com. Enjoy. Bump bump.